Funnels, of course, recently released something so exciting, which is our brand new AI funnels. Our AI funnels has been installed with 4 AI bots that now work on your digital product funnel to sell your products day and night. Let me show you how these bots have been designed to work and how you can then replicate them into any product that you're selling, whether that be Digital Wealth Academy, UBC, or your own digital products. So these are the 4 bots that have been installed in FOC. We have the chat bot, a phone bot, an auto bot, and a lead bot. So let me go through them one by one and show you how they work. First of all, we have Cara, the chatbot. She answers all questions via live chat. So when someone comes to your funnel and they click on the chat button, this is Cara, the AI agent that answers all questions and gathers the lead information and then sends them the follow-up email automations. Next, we have Lala, the lead bot. So this is our brand new lead gen software that you can use to search for B2B or B2C leads and then automatically import those leads into the FOC software where you can connect with those leads and follow up with them via email, chat, or calendar bookings. Next, we have Anna, the Autobot. So this is all the back-end automations. When the bots on the front end capture the leads and they get all the information, then on the back end, we have Anna that sends all the follow-up email and SMS messages in order to close those sales. And lastly, we have Paul, which is the phone bot, which answers all the questions via a live phone call. So when someone comes to your funnel and they click this phone button, then they would get directed to Paul, the phone bot, which answers all the questions. So she actually has a conversation with them via phone call, asks their name, captures their email, and answers all of the questions in order to get the person to convert into a sale. So these are the 4 bots that we installed in funnels, of course, and this technology is available for you to use in any business, in any funnel, in order for you to gather more leads and to make more sales. Because these bots are working 24/7 to capture, to convert, and to automate your entire business to scale it to the moon and back. Please be sure to go to the 4-bot module inside of school in order to learn how to set up these bots and how to train them if you want to use them for any other business.